Hi, Mom. Breast pumping should not be painful. Let's make it comfortable. With the right steps, pumping can be completely pain-free. Always use the correct flange size to avoid nipple pain. Begin with low suction and increase it slowly. Sit comfortably and keep your shoulders relaxed. Gently massage your breasts before pumping for better flow. Take deep breaths and stay relaxed while pumping. If you feel pain, stop and adjust the pump. Clean pump parts to prevent irritation and infection. Comfortable pumping means a happier mom and baby.